And now, marine weather around Alaska.
Small craft advisories now in the forecast for the winds here for the southeast coast. On the south coast, southeast 25 knots, central coast east-southeast at 20 to 30 knots, and the north coast out of the east at 25 to 30 knots. Lighter winds over the inside waters with Lynn Canal south at 15, southeast 15 for Stevens Passage, and about 20 knots there for Clarence Strait. And for Thursday, south coast, south winds 20 knots, north coast, east to south winds at 15 to 20 knots, northeast at 15 for Lynn Canal, Stevens Passage, southeast at 15 for Clarence Strait. Prince William Sound tomorrow, north winds at 15 knots, east-northeast 25 to 30 knot winds for the North Gulf Coast, north at 25 for the Barren Islands, northwest 25 for Kamishak Bay and Cook Inlet, north winds 15 to 20 knots. And for Thursday, Cook Inlet, southwest winds 10 to 15 knots, southeast at 15 for Kamishak Bay. Light winds there for the Barren Islands, and east-northeast at 15 for the North Gulf Coast, and a light north wind at 10 for Prince William Sound. Kodiak Island, northwest and north winds 20 to 30 knots. And Wednesday, the Alaska Peninsula, northwest 15 to 20 knots, and about the same in Bristol Bay. And for Thursday, Kodiak Island, northeast winds on the east side of the island here, Shelikof Strait southeast, but only at about 15 knots in both locations. South to southeast winds 20 for the peninsula and southeast at 20 for Bristol Bay. And for the eastern Aleutians, we've got southeast winds or south to southeast winds of 15 to 25 knots. South to southeast 25 to 30 knot winds for Adak and Atka. Stronger winds out here to the west, but under gale force, looking at south to southeast winds 25 to 30 knots. And for Thursday, western Aleutians, 25 to 30 knot winds from the west and southwest. Southwest 25 for Adak and Atka with seas up to 12 feet. And the eastern Aleutians, southeast winds 20 to 25 knots. And for Norton Sound, St. Lawrence Island, Yukon Delta Coast, as well as St. Matthew Island, winds all light and variable at 5 to 10. South of Nunivak Island, north at 10 and variable at 15 for the Pribilof Islands. And then for the day Thursday, small craft advisories for the Pribilof, south at 25 knots, seas up to 8 feet, and even stronger east winds at 30 knots for St. Matthew Island. South of Nunivak Island, east at 20, and for the Yukon Delta Coast, St. Lawrence Island, east at 10 and northeast 15 for Norton Sound. For the central and eastern Beaufort Sea coast, northeast at 15. Western Arctic coast, brisk wind advisories east to northeast at 25 to 30 knots, and the Chukchi Sea northeast at 15. And for the day Thursday, the Chukchi Sea east-northeast winds 10 to 15 knots, and the Western Arctic coast east to northeast at 25 knots, and east to northeast winds at only about 10 knots for the central and eastern Beaufort Sea coast.